don't call, he don't do nothing. He just pop up, he at the door. You know what I'm saying? He just left my house this morning. So I mean, at the end of the day, like, it's not me. You know what I'm saying? I probably shouldn't let him in, but we had kids. So it's like it's a never ending battle. I've spoke to him multiple times to sit down and have a conversation with her. She don't want to sit down because she don't know how to be civilized. She always want to be violent, want to be doing all of this and all that, and I'm not gonna have that.
Okay. Thank Miss Ratchford. Do you have kids with the
I have a daughter,
with this
3-year-old daughter.
with this gentleman too? With this?
Yes.
Okay. So okay, both of you have kids with him. All right. So again, I'm not. Honestly, I'm not in this situation. I'm not there. I'm just speaking generally that it should never get to the point where two ladies are in court and fighting and damaging each other's property, and this going on for years. At some point, it has to stop, because you two are putting yourselves in danger, and you both have children. These are jailable offenses. Luckily, I mean, honestly, I try my hardest to use this bench as a chance to help people. But when I hear these things happening, normally there's jail time associated with it. So I mean, neither one of you want to be away from your kids. No person is worth that. So, Ms. Ratchford, I'm gonna have you.
Can I say one thing?
Go ahead. You're doing pretty good. I don't want you to say anything and turn it a different
I'm
way.
just saying, like, it's like she nitpicks. Like, she wants to let me know when he's there, and when he leave, and what time, and all this stuff. Like, this is sad.
Well, no.
I'm tired of the lies
Well,
and
but
stuff.
here's the
I'm
deal,
just
though.
like,
Well, let me stop you there, and this is going to be the end of it. It's only the common denominator that you ladies have is him, and he has to be the one that you point the finger at. Yeah, because he's attaching to your emotions as well as her emotions. So yeah, if she calls you or says whatever and says he was here, that's because at that particular time, some part of her emotions were tied up into it, but it wasn't against you. It was because he did that. So your anger shouldn't be at her I'm just saying, if that's a fact that he's there or he's here now, your anger is not at her, it's at him. And your best way to get revenge at him is to leave him alone. If obviously he likes being with both of you, is not to damage his property, is not to, do anything. It's to say, I'm gone. If this is where you want to be, I'm gone. And it works both ways. So even with her, you say it didn't happen that way, but it's not necessarily her. I mean, it's you get the person that they are. So he should know that he's dealing with a person who may not want to communicate the way you want to communicate. So he has to deal with that, not you. So I'm just saying, your anger is not, at the end of the day, you two ladies are ladies and you both are dealing with one person. He's the one, he's the common denominator. And he has to change it, or he has to be the one that you both decide to leave, because if you go to jail, he's not going for you. Is he out? Is he in the building at all? Yeah, he's not even here, but he knows you are here. You know what I'm saying? So you got to look at that. But we're gonna get past this. If there's nothing else, you're free to leave. Miss Ivory, she knows how to get in touch with the prosecutor and everything as far as restitution. You step down there. You're gonna stop. You're gonna talk to Miss Ivory. Oh, and Mr. Hicks, can you pass Miss Ratchford? This is the information on how to get onto the program on Monday nights at 5:30.